G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm on my way to Dominos. They've got a new product out, the Loaded Nachos. I don't mind myself some nachos, so I'm really looking forward to trying theirs. So how about we go get some, give it the old taste test. Let's get some! Well, here we go, the new Loaded Nachos from Domino's. Now, this costs $9.95 for this. Whoa! Anyway, I brought the scales. Let's see how much it weighs. Alrighty. 355 grams. That's 0.790 of a pound. 874 pound. That's about the same weight as a burger. 78824. Okay, well, let's suss it out. Da, 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 da. Oh, mate! Is there enough cheese sauce on there? Oh, that looks pretty good. Looks a little burnt around the edges though, doesn't it? Look over here. It's a bit cremated, wouldn't you say? Oh, mate. The poor guys inside, they were rushed off their feet. But yes, that looks very overcooked and quite burnt indeed. Yes, 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 yes. But there is a lot of cheese on there. I wonder what this cheese tastes like. Mmm. Ooh, that tastes... Oh! Mate! It's got like a spicy chili kick in there. It's quite a spicy sauce, this one. Mmm. But it tastes pretty good. Anyway, let's find a piece that isn't burnt, if I can, and give it a go. Oh, this is going to be harder than I thought, trying to find a piece that isn't burnt. But it has got like mozzarella, looks like some spring onions on there, and there's supposed to be ground beef. Oh, there's a piece here. Okay, right. Let's go. Mmm. Mmm. Well, I think the police are coming to arrest the man that made this. Look on the look underneath. Just burnt as anything. This is going to be a bit of a struggle to eat, I think. Now, I'm not too sure what's loaded about this nachos. I mean, it's only got like cheese, spring onions and beef and mozzarella with a cheese sauce on it. Hardly loaded, I'd say. Maybe they're talking about all the burnt bits on it. All the, like, all the burnt bits that is in this. Oh. I mean, this is just a mess. It's just an absolute mess. It's just burnt. It's so badly made. I feel so sorry for the guys inside there that were run off their feet. Oh. It's got hard bits in it. It's just... It's barely edible. I can't really see any mozzarella cheese on it, actually. It's supposed to have it on there, but I'm not coming across too much stretchy mozzarella on this. Underneath that cheese sauce, it's just corn chips, and on top of it, it's just that cheese, but oh, what a mess. What a shame. Oh dear. Poor Domino's. They just can't take a trick, can they? Oh, it's either so bad you can't eat it, or it's really tasty. This, yet again, is another so bad I can hardly eat it. Well, that'll make giving this score out of 10 quite interesting. Value-wise, $9.95, mate. I mean, it's just a couple of corn chips. Might be about 30 corn chips with some cheese sauce squirted over the top and hardly any meat or anything else. Flavour-wise, well, I could see where they're trying to go with this, but they just failed so miserably. I feel so sorry for them. It's an absolute just... Oh, dude. Oh, God. You know, I try my best to be positive and, well, give the benefit of the doubt to these places, but seriously, this is an absolute insert swear word here. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the loaded nachos, I'm going to give it a 1 out of 10. This is an absolute disgrace. I do like the cheese sauce on it though. I would have liked to have some more meat on there. That would have been good. And maybe some cheese as well. But this is just a complete fail, and I don't know how long this is going to last on the menu if other shops produce product that looks and tastes similar to this. Don. What can I say? But a complete fail. If you are thinking about getting this, mate, I would avoid it at all costs. I'd be getting 2 proper sized pizzas that are half decent made rather than this atrocity to fast food. Anyway, there's the loaded nachos from Domino's. I can't wait to read your comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I review something. Let's just pray it's better than this. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review